Ayan, guys. Let's wait for my bro. Get the scissors from over.
Alright. Hi guys.
Hi, guys. Ayan, guys. Ayan. I don't know what to say. Yeah.
Alright,
Yeah.
so we're here right now to fix our APC.
Yeah.
This is APC. Wait, I look for the model. I forgot the model. Oh, the model is here. Here. So it's an APC back UPS Pro 1500. Okay,
Yeah,
so
this used to be my mom's, but this was my mom's, and then she busted it. What? she busted it, and she's telling us to fix it. But the thing she busted is the thing she fixed. Mommy, come to your vlog with us. You'll be in channel 2.
alright, so as you can see, we have 2 batteries here. So mommy did not busted it. The battery is busted. That's why when the electricity, when there's a power outage, it doesn't stay on. It turns off because the battery doesn't it's not charging anymore, so it's busted already. So for example, we have this. All right, so if we turn it on, oh, here. All right, there you go.
And just click this button. Boom!
There.
Did I just on it? I just click this button.
Okay, there you go. So it's on there. But if we remove the electricity, there, it stopped already. Supposedly it will stay on for
24 hours?
No, not 24 hours. It will stay on for more like up to 30 minutes. But there, it suddenly turns off.
Yeah.
So
24 hours buried in the coffin.
so right now what we're going to do is to replace the batteries with these new ones. Alright.
Yeah, let's open it.
Okay, so let's open it. Do you know how to open it?
And can you turn it?
That's it. Oh, okay.
Then you need to put this.
Okay.
Oh wait, I think this is the way. What? Okay, time to. What? I think it's this step. Nope. How do you open this? Why don't you just cut it to half?
Let the expert do it. Just have to do like this. Place it there. Okay.
And you have to put it up? I'm jealous!
There. Okay. So we have to pull the old battery. There.
Yo, it's so empty.
There. And of course, we have to remove the sticker. Since we're going to remove this one. This part here. Here. There. And also remove this part here. Okay. So there. To use this one.
Okay, let me.
Alright, there you go. So these are the wire connectors. So it's very simple. You just have to follow the color code. Okay, red is to red, black is to black. There. Okay, your turn.
Let's put them in.
No, we have to put this one here first. We have to put the batteries here. Connect the batteries first. Wait. Okay, so first up, red is to red.
Can I?
and then black is to black. No, 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 no.
Let me do it.
You cannot.
Yes, I can.
Yes, no, you can't.
He said yes.
Alright, so there you go. We have to connect this also. This red here.
And you can get the
There.
black.
Well, you have, this is this red and there's black. So black.
You can see. You can see.
I think it's better if like this. There. And then, oh no. There we go.
You keep
And then,
my hand.
huh?
You hurt me.
I hurt you?
Yeah, Shuttercaptured will hurt us.
Alright, so there you go. Okay.
As a gamer,
So
you
both
have
are connected
to
already.
fight.
There. And then all we have to do is to put it back.
Let me do it.
There.
There.
It's back.
Now let.
And then, ha!
I'm gonna put it back. I'm gonna put it
This
back.
one.
I'll put it back. I'll put it back.
Okay.
Is it like this?
Oh no, that's it. How to put it back.
Oh my gosh. Let me just check it. Wait, I need to. If this one is to be here. but
No.
This one is here.
Uh-huh.
Oh wait. I'm getting confused. Central is getting confused. I think you have to.
Okay, wait. You forgot. You have to shoot this one here and shoot that one there.
Oh,
Oh, wait. Pull it up. Okay, good. You have to pull it, push it down at the same time. Okay. This other side. Okay, push it down. There you go.
I think it's working now. Let me go
Okay.
plug.
Wait, I'll do it. And there you go. Okay, so I think we should leave it on first and let it charge, and then later we'll test it if it will stay on.
Yeah?
Right?
Yeah.
Okay, come on.
A few moments later.
So after 30 minutes of charging
You need 2 hours.
the UPS, now it's time to test it.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
Now it's
I'm going to disconnect it.
And see if it works. If it doesn't, then we'll just.
Okay, there you go. So I hope the mic picks up this one. It's turbanizing, you know. Okay, so the battery now is supplying the whole UPS already. There.
Daddy just made a word so funny that the food I was eating went in my nose. Bro, how that?
Why?
You made it so funny that it went in my nose.
Okay, so that's it, guys. So this is the test. So it's already working again. And all right, so there you go, guys. And
Because you like me, the only central. Yeah, if you and don't
Sense
skip
World.
us.
Okay, go to Sense World and like and subscribe also
And don't skip us.
because you're on Shuttercaptured.
No!
Bye, guys.
No. This is central. This is central. And don't skip us. Don't skip to
Flashback.
So that's it, guys. And make sure to
Wait, we should we'll check again later. It's not yet goodbye.
You serious?
hey. It's a pretend. We'll cut it and then put the later and then we'll put this one back.
You serious?
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Let's
Okay again. So
End of flashback.